channel once again. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my channel, then you are welcome. In our video today, we are going to be making a special delicious Nigerian stew. We are going to be making smoked turkey tomato stew, and I promise you it's going to be delicious. What we are going to do now is to season the turkey and start cooking. And as we go on, I'm going to be introducing other ingredients to you. Let's get started. Our turkey is properly washed. Okay. I have pepper blend, onions, pepper, fresh garlic, and fresh ginger. We are going to add water, although it's smoked, but it's not properly cooked. Have salt and bouillon. Have thyme. I'm going to be adding cow skin in this stew. It's going to be a delicious local stew, I promise you. Let's cover the pot and start cooking. So I said to myself, what will be the best tomato to use for this smoked turkey? And I said it's fresh tomato. If you have watched my videos, most of the time I use tomato puree, tomato paste. But today, because it's smoked, it needs fresh tomatoes so that it will extract all the taste from the smoked turkey. So I have fresh tomato. It's going to be nice. I'm going to be pairing it with tomato puree. Okay, I'm going to be pairing it with tomato puree. I've already added ginger. I have our fresh pepper. As I said before, I'm going to be adding cooked cow skin. It is delicious. What I'm making today is a special local Nigerian stew. Okay, here we have ground crayfish. As a Nigerian, I cannot cook this special stew without adding crayfish. Take note, don't add too much crayfish, okay, in this stew, so it doesn't overwhelm the stew. You know, crayfish taste is very strong. It's even stronger than fish. Okay, just add a little quantity, but not too much. And here I have this special herb. It's called ncham. Some people call it scent leaf, but it's not actually what it means. It means a different thing. But it's popularly known as scent leaf. Okay, it is a special herb. If you have fresh one, then use it. I can't cook this stew without adding this special leaf. We are going to add it to our stew, and it will give it a great taste. Onions. Lettuce. Both together. We are going to cook both of them. Cook it down, okay? That is how you make your stew delicious. If you start adding ingredients as soon as you put the tomatoes, the taste will not come out fine. As I used to say, when you are making a stew, there are things to take note of. One, cooking your tomatoes down. Okay, cook it down, fry it properly before adding the broth. Okay, and then another one is how you seasoned your protein. So I'm going to cover it. I'm covering it so it doesn't splash. Okay, if not, I will leave it open. Cover it and cook it down. If you notice I've not added salt, I have salt in my protein, I will add later. Let's cover it, allow it to cook properly before adding broth. So let's check our stew. Look at that, it has cooked down. Okay, stir it. Now you can add your ingredients. Okay, you see the oil, it has started popping up. Okay, to show that it's properly cooked. I'm going to add the herb. It's dry so that it will cook and soften. It's a special herb. Crayfish. We need the crayfish, but not too much. I'm gonna be adding the stock. The stock alone. I'm going to taste it, then I will season it. Salt and bouillon. Stir it. Cover the pot and let it simmer very well before we add the meat. So look at our stew. Okay. We're gonna add our meat. I noticed that it's not hot enough, so I added pepper, cut some pepper and added it. We're gonna cook and the split before the stew is done, or you can remove it when the stew is done. Okay, look at our delicious smoked turkey stew. I like this consistency for my stew. I don't make it too thick because I want to taste the broth. When you make it too thick, you can't taste anything but oil. It becomes too much oil. When you allow some broth in it, then you will know the actual taste of your stew. Don't make it too watery, but don't fry it like tomato paste. It's gonna be tasting oil. Okay, so this consistency is good. We're just going to allow it to simmer, then we are done. We don't want to cook it anymore so that we don't overcook our meat. Okay, simmer for the last time. Look at that. Today we made a delicious smoked turkey stew with cow skin. And look at that. It is ready. You eat this with your rice, your white rice, white yam, cooked white yam, cooked white potatoes, or you can also enjoy it this way with bread. Okay, let's dish out our food. So look at our delicious, super delicious, this is my kind of stew, local stew. The aroma is everywhere. You can perceive the scent leaf. We've come to the end of this video. The smoked turkey, the taste is different from fresh chicken. Anything smoked tastes good. We've come to the end of this video. I want you to share it, comment, share the video, okay, comment. The cow skin takes it to another level. Please share this video. I will see you once again in my next video. Bye and God bless.